video is to help you out with the formula of maximum aerobic function heart rate. So we're looking at the Maf heart rate, again, which stands for maximum aerobic function. This heart rate was gone over in Module 2, Lesson 2, and the formula is pretty simple and is based on aerobic functionality and being able to perform your best with any aerobic activity. So the formula is very simple. It's 180 minus your age, and we will get a target heart rate. The most important thing about this as a teenager is to understand your working number is always going to be 165 beats per minute. As soon as you turn 20 years old, you can now use 180 minus 20, which would give you a working heart rate of 160 beats per minute. But for now, we're going to use 165. The only variables in this formula are going to have to do with any type of health issues or a low physical fitness. And what that means is if you haven't been active for 6 months, or you have been active for 6 months, that's when we're going to start looking at taking away or adding. We can add 5 if we have been physically active and no health issues. Health issues such as asthma, or you just came off of a cold or a flu, any type of ailments that would prevent optimal physical activity, you don't ever want to add 5. We can subtract 5 for the same thing if we haven't been active for 6 months, or there are underlying health issues. And don't look at this as a bad thing, to have the formula work the best for you and develop the best aerobic function. So we can subtract up to 10 beats, but I want you to understand you can also subtract more if you're not feeling comfortable. So the idea behind this is to find your maximum aerobic function to where you can do an exercise while you're able to talk, hold a conversation, and work effectively while you're doing that exercise. So that is how you do the formula. So if you are active and you want to add 5, I wouldn't go above 170. And if you are not active, I would start at 155 and see how you feel. You can always go down or you can always go up. That's totally up to you. But that's how the formula works. It's very simple. If you have any questions, please reach out.